today I'm going to show you how to create these stunning images using AI. And the tool we're actually using is called Midjourney. So here's 3 portraits. They look pretty good, but these people, they don't exist at all. This was all created through AI. All you have to do is go to this website, discord.gg/midjourney. If this is your first time, I highly recommend you register and start using it. It's really, really cool. So I already have my account. I'm going to just log in. Go to Midjourney, which is the sailboat. Go down to somewhere in newbie. There's a bunch of newbie sections. Go ahead and click on the newbie 129. Down at the bottom, all you have to do is click on /imagine space. Now, what is it that we want to see? Let's start typing, shall we? Nuclear explosion with face of an angel near the ocean. You can also describe what it looks like as cartoon or realistic. So we're going to choose realistic. 8K, might as well. Hit enter. When you hit enter, it's going to start doing its thing because there's a bunch of other jobs in front of us. While we're waiting, you can see other people and what they're typing and what their prompts are. Prompts are basically ideas, feeding the AI ideas on how it should look. My best advice is start looking at other people's prompt and seeing what they use to get that image, that type that you want. Some of these people are really, really good. So you might as well learn from the best. Now, as you can see, it's very confusing because a bunch of people are going up and down. A bunch of other photos are going up and down. Whenever it's ready, you can always click on here on the upper right-hand corner, inbox. And here you can see that ours is already done. Click on jump to jump straight to the image that's done. Let's click on our image. And there you go. Pretty cool, right? Amazing. Here's the ocean. Here's nuclear explosion. Here's face of an angel. Well, that's debatable, but you know. I really like this second one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. If you like number 2, go ahead and click on U2. U2 means that it's going to upscale it to high resolution. While we're waiting, let's scroll up and down to see what others are doing. That's pretty cool. You can see other people are using this tool to do their job. I have no doubt about it. Looks like somebody's trying to design their own logo for a company. Not bad. Oh, this is a pretty cool logo, isn't it? All right, let's check on our progress. It's still doing its thing, waiting to start. Upscaling does take some time, so we have to wait for it. Now, with paid subscription, maybe you'll jump ahead of the line to get yours done much faster. For now, I'm using free version. And honestly, free version is more than good enough. Looks like somebody's trying to use it as a website designer. Not bad. And here is the upscale version. Wow, pretty cool. Open in browser. If you really, really like this version, right click on it, save image as, and save it wherever you want. Now, if you're not satisfied with these 4 images, go ahead and click on the refresh button or the recycle button. It will try again. All right, and here is the result. All right, hopefully you enjoyed this quick intro to Midjourney AI. You can see that the potential is endless. It will give you a bunch of inspiration, if that's what you want to call it, or just go ahead and just plagiarize. I don't know. It's up to you. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.